Unraveling the phrase, mix it up. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to delve into. Mix it up. This is a phrase you might come across in various contexts, and it can be a bit tricky to understand at first. But worry not. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what mix it up means and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, mix it up, it literally means to combine or blend different items or elements together. Imagine you have a salad, and you want all the ingredients to be evenly distributed. What do? You mix it up. You're taking all the different pieces and combining them to create a delightful and balanced mix. Beyond its literal meaning, mix it up is often used in a figurative sense. It can mean to change your routine or do something different to add variety to your life. For example, if you eat the same lunch every day, a friend might tell you to mix it up and try something new. Additionally, mix it up can also mean to get involved in a conflict or fight, usually verbally. If two people are arguing and someone says, "They really mixed it up," it means they had a heated exchange of words. Let's look at some examples to see how mix it up is used in sentences. 1. Literal sense: I added all the ingredients into the bowl, and now one just need to mix it up. 2. Change routine: I've been feeling bored with my workouts lately, so I decided to mix it up and try a yoga class. 3. Verbal conflict: the two politicians really mixed it up during the debate last night. Understanding the context in which mix it up is used is key to grasping its meaning. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, mix it up, decoded. Whether it's stirring ingredients in a bowl, changing your routine, or getting into a heated debate, mix it up is a versatile phrase that adds spice to our language. We hope this video has clarified its meanings for you and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep mixing it up with your English.